Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided cards in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Canva homepage and click on Create a Design. This will open up a search menu where you can find the exact type of design you need. In the search bar that appears, type card if you're looking for general card options, or type business card if you want a standard double-sided card format. This helps you find templates that are already sized correctly for printing. Once you've searched, you'll see a list of results appear. From here, select business card if you want a smaller standard-sized card, or choose folded card landscape if you prefer a larger horizontal format. Both options work perfectly for creating double-sided designs. The choice really depends on what kind of card you're making and how you want it to look when printed. Now, browse through the available templates and click on one that matches the style you're going for. If none of the templates catch your eye, you can always click the blank option to start designing from scratch. This gives you complete creative control over both sides of your card. Next, you'll need to create the back side of your card. To do this, click on Add Page at the bottom of the editor. This creates a second page in your design, which will serve as the back side of your card. Page 1 will be the front and page 2 will be the back, so make sure you design them accordingly. Now it's time to add your content. On page 1, type or design your front side content. This is usually where you place your main message, logo, or image. Then switch to page 2 and type or design your backside content. This could include additional information, contact details, or any supporting visuals. Make sure both sides are fully designed and ready to go before moving on. Once you're happy with both sides of your card, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Download. This will open a new window with file format options. In the download window, click on the file type drop-down and select PDF print. This format is specifically designed for high-quality printing and ensures your card will look sharp and professional when printed. After selecting PDF print, click the download button. Canva will process your file and download it to your device in just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully created and downloaded a double-sided card in Canva that's ready to print. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.